Welcome back again. I'll try to do a brainstorming and I'll show you the website also so that it gives you a better understanding how exactly everything looks like. So I'll show you in details out here also. So if you see, this is the website of NAC. This is what I was telling you, that each and everything it's available in the public domain for everything. So the latest information, everything we have put out here, or webinars, newsletter, everything. So now the important aspect which we are talking since the initiation of this presentation. So if you see out here, this is the apply online tab. So you have to click on this apply online tab. So if you go down, these are the instructions for IAQ also, whether your university cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3, cycle 4. So what details has to be uploaded while you're filling up IAQ, everything. So manuals, I was telling you that we have revised for everything. This is manual for universities, general universities, autonomous colleges. We have this standard operating procedures out here, data templates, affiliated colleges revised for a UG, PG, everything is out here. If you click on this, manual for health science institutions, we have the details. The manual for the Sanskrit institutions, we have all the details. Open universities, manual for dual mode universities, manual for teacher education institution, the triple S, the guidelines, Hindi, English and Hindi version is here. You can convert into your own language or vernacular language. So questionnaire for the students, the English and Hindi version both are here. This is the apply tab which I was telling you about registration if you apply. So once you click out to it, so HA login, it's created like this. So you can enter the email ID which you want for your what is HEI, the password, and this is the captcha code you have to enter. Then login is here. So after this, the basic details will open. We have to fill up the basic details also. And new registration you have to click if you are not applied after July 2017, or if you are not registered. If you forgot the password, you can click on here. So the password option would be enabled to you also. So this is the basic step how you have to do the registrations and all that. And apart from this thing also, what we are telling you regarding that everything is see assessment accreditation, the entire process is out here, the accreditation, the terminology, the eligibility criteria, it's out here for the university, autonomous colleges, accredited colleges. We have mentioned everything on the website also. Same way for everything, what you want to know the details, everything is in the platform, public platform, unit of assessment, process, criteria, grading, grievance, everything is out here. So the AQS also, if you want to apply for NAC sponsored seminars, you can apply out here. The details for the AQS is also out here. The resources out here, the library and publications, you can watch the publications of NAC also. Here it's an outline about the eligibility criteria, the benefits of the accreditation. I'll go once again into the apply online tab. So this was the old manual. As I was telling you that we keep on revising everything. So this was the old manual which is archived also. All the new, and these are the NAC process video tutorial also. It's available on the wax website. It's in Hindi and it's both in English also. If you can go, everything is online also. The SSR tutorial, DV tutorial is here. How to fill up that also is available on the NAC website also. So we have tried that as far as possible to the maximum extent. The information is available on the public platform so that they are benefited also. uh, I'll try to show you one more important thing, that if you want to see the SOP for the health science colleges also in the institution, if you see, we have given the details of the SOP. Same with the SOP, the data templates, the manuals for each and every specific type of HEI is available on the NAC portal. We request you to please go through each of these documents available on the website in details. This will help in your, what to say, applying to NAC. This will help your better understanding what exactly terminology which we mean for each and everything. So these are the instructions where while you are filling up your IAQ, we've given the specific instructions what need to be followed. So we request you kindly go through each and every document in details while you're applying for the IAQA registration, SSR, DVV. Deadlines is also, if you see the guidelines we have given for everything, IQAC, Memorandum of Understanding, data validation, verification, all these things, the DA honor, everything is available on the NAC website. So it was indeed a pleasure for me to be associated with such a beautiful online workshop. I hope I have given a better overview of NAC assessment and accreditation process by highlighting each and every step in details. I thank to the organizer of Ramanujan College, all who are the participants for patient learning. Thank you, one and all.